Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, for some of y'all who are new to my channel, my name is Siobhan and I am a professional organizer and home stager, and this is week 4 of our Cleanish challenge, and today we are going to be tackling our kids' spaces. So I'm heading into Devana's kids' bedroom to get their rooms organized and designed. So let's go ahead, head into their room and see what all we have to get done. So we're just getting in the girls' space. So what I am planning on doing is moving the furniture around in the space just to see what works best for the girls and their movements around here, and then I'm going to get it organized. So let me just turn the camera around and show you exactly what the space looks like and what we're gonna do here in this space. So when you come into the door, right now they have this like cup storage here, and then this cute little board here. I'm thinking about moving this area, and then the beds are over here, and then they have this cute accent wall, but I want to see what the beds look like over here. So on the outside of the windows, put one bed here and one bed over here with this set in between. So I want to see what that looks like, and then I kind of do like this accent here. So I'm thinking about either moving this one out and moving this dresser and this dresser into the closet, pour their toy chest out and put the toy chest somewhere in here, and then move these things, put maybe this thing over here, the toy chest over under the window. The toy chest can go there, and then this big thing can go over here. So it's really, I'm just really trying to see how I want to do it, but we're going to keep the wall colors the same except for this one. Put the rainbow on this wall, and that's if we keep the beds here. So that's my plans, and that's what I'm about to do. Just go around the space and move items around. I'm starting by picking up all the toys and moving the furniture placements around to see what layout works best for the girls in the space before I start to paint. Alright guys, so we are about to head into the girls' room today. We're going to paint their accent wall. Currently it's a pink color. We're going to actually paint that gray to match the remainder of the walls, and then we're going to paint a cute little rainbow in the space. I think the girls are going to love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead, head in the room and start painting. I start off by painting the edges using this paint edger and then this brush to get the small areas above the ceiling, and then I'm going to use my roller and start rolling this paint on. So we just finished painting this wall. We're letting it dry right now. In the meantime, I am going to create a stencil so that I can make a rainbow feature on this wall back here. So I got 2 pencils. I just sharpened them, and they are about the same length, so that it should be perfect. And then I'm going to take this, measure it out, and then tape the pencils onto here just to create like a protractor kind of thing to create the arch of the rainbow and keep it consistent going on each width of the rainbow. Alright guys, so I just created this stencil here. It's at 6 inches. So I'm going to do a 6-inch thickness for the rainbow, give a 2-inch gap, and then go from there. Alright guys, so I am currently painting the rainbow here as an accent feature on this wall. I wanted to give it some depth and make it really cute by making the rainbow come from the side into the window. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing pastel colors here. I already did the pink and the green. Next I'm gonna do orange, blue, and purple, and this rainbow will be done. Once I finish painting this rainbow, we're gonna let it dry overnight. So while Devonna is in there sorting through the girls' clothes, I am going to go over into their toy section, get that organized, and then we're gonna come back into this closet once she is finished organizing so I can get this put together and get the clothes put back into the correct spaces. But let me flip the camera around and show you what their toy area is looking like so far. So as soon as you come in, we moved their stuff over here. So now she has her kitchen here. Then they have some more toys in this cubby storage here. And then we pulled their toy box. It used to be in the closet. We moved it right over here. So we're gonna go into the toy box and get that organized. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, we actually bought these things here from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use this to organize this space. Got the little one, she's already trying to play. But yes, we're gonna use that to organize this and then get all that stuff. And then we're gonna come in here, get these organized and labeled so that they'll know exactly what goes back into each one of these bins. I'm starting off by going into the toy chest and pulling out all the small items and miscellaneous items that are in there and storing it in these bins. Now that all the toys are organized, I am assembling this new cube storage to add all the bins in. I'm also using these Dollar Tree labels to label the bins so the girls know exactly what goes in it. And then I'm heading into the closet to get this organized. I am adding these 2 shoe racks and bins above for all girls storage. And I also bought these white hangers to keep all their clothes consistent. And from there, all we have left are the final touches before we reveal the space to the girls. Okay, so your surprise. You ready?
You ready,
1, 2, 3.
Keep your eyes closed.
Open them.
Wow! Yeah, look at this. It's over my bed.
Is that where you said you wanted it?
Yeah, that's what I wanted it the whole time.
The whole time? So guys, what did you think about the girls' room? That rainbow is so cute. And I know the girls are loving it so far. And that organization, I was able to use Dollar Tree bins and my Cricut maker just to go in and personalize those bins so that the girls know exactly where all their items are supposed to go. But I hope you enjoyed everything from this video, and if you have not checked out any other episodes in this Cleanish series, go ahead and make sure to check those out. There's tons of hidden gems in there and tips on how to get your space organized. Next week, we are going to be heading into the garage of Devonna's home to get her Christmas items organized and just move the bins around so that they can be able to move their cars in and out of the garage if they would like to. But yes, guys, I can't wait to see y'all next week. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscription button below and give me a thumbs up. I want to make sure that you're loving this content and loving everything that I'm bringing out. And if you have not yet hit that notification, make sure to hit that notification bell, because next week I don't want you to miss out on that garage organization. So I'll see y'all then. Bye.